Thanks for watching another Watson Brothers video. Today we're at Academy Ridge, which is directly adjacent to the University of British Columbia. You are getting this video because you asked to be kept updated on our project, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. And we're very excited to say we've had our first move-ins. Some of the units are now occupied, and it's starting to take shape around here. We really love it, and we're going to show you some of the reasons why we do next. Here's what sets this project apart from some of the other competition on the hill right now. You have your own garage for two-car parking and your own front door. Most of the units up here require you to go underground parking, elevator, long hallways. Here's some of the other things we really like about Academy Ridge. How about quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and hard surface floors? All these things are, of course, brand new, but 100% durable and designed for easy living. The other things we've got in here, and I can feel it right now, is super awesome air conditioning. Comes standard along with gas heat and a forced air furnace. Window blinds are included, as is the washer dryer. And on these super sunny days like we get in the Okanagan, you've got your own little patio with gas hookup for a barbecue. Is the fact that at the front of the complex is a park and in the back is a linear dog trail. Not to mention all the green space in the center of the green. It's a really active, wonderful, vibrant community. And when you're done all your work and your efforts, come in, chuck all your clothes into the front load washer dryer, and enjoy a glass of wine on the deck we just showed you. I'm in the ensuite of the master bedroom, which, as you can see, is quite luxurious with 2 sinks, quartz countertops, tile backsplash, and a gorgeous glass surround shower. The main floor, as you know, features 3 bedrooms. We've got 2.5 baths, and again, don't forget about that tandem garage and your own front door. And we've saved the best part for last. You got to see the great features that the units have and the great features of the complex. The best part? They start at $484,900, and that gets you an end unit with floor plan and the features that you see here. You can't beat that price, and don't forget the 10-year warranty. Check it out anytime at watson-brothers.com or give us a call 250-712-2222.